After that, we need to open our character and we need to add variable for TouchManager with TouchManager type also. And make it editable. In our setup we have GIMP mode and we spawn the character. We cannot have a reference on the scene, and for that we can easily open our level blueprint, and here we can add begin play, and also we need to just add our TouchManager to the level, and inside the settings here we have auto receive input. We need just select player 0 to be able to have any inputs for our TouchManager, and after that we selected in the scene our TouchManager class and right click in level blueprint and just add this reference, and after that we will pass this reference to our character. To do this we need to get player pawn, cast it for our maybe third person character, and let's pick up our TouchManager reference and just set this variable. And now we have a reference or pointer to the other player, and that means we will have at the begin play, we can check here I think, we can add print string and just print the name of it. Let's check. TouchManager Actor. We have a reference right now from this level blueprint setup. It works, and other also you can use not like this way. You can also add a reference easily from GetAllActorsOfClass, but it's not optimized, but it's easily to make it. Actor of class is also another solution. Here we can select TouchManager class, get a copy of 0, and just set our variable here. And after that just print string with the name of this TouchManager. Because if its reference will be not valid, we will not get any print strings at all. Text will be empty. And also we need to remove our setup in level blueprint, and let's check. You can see we have reference again. Previous method was much better I think, and it's great to have like our pawn and store reference somewhere like player pawn, and every like UI interface can get reference from pawn easily. Just take get pawn and cast to your pawn and get this reference, or we can create interface. It will be more elegant solution. Another from level blueprint also can be done, and another it's also when we can make it in our TouchManager. I'm going to remove this, and it's the last solution what you can easily add. In our TouchManager at the begin play we can make pretty the same, but get player pawn cast to BP third person character. And set TouchManager. And to set the variable, we need to write self and just pass to set. And now our character should have the reference of it. We need just add print string of variable type. Now we have the reference again. If we will remove, for example, this, and with the print string setup and empty, we will not have any print strings like I said previously.